Hello children. Today we will discuss chapter 5 geography, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. Okay. So our country is very rich in biodiversity with about, we can say, 47,000 plant species are there, 15,000 flowering plants are there, and 90,000 or 89,000 species of animals are there. Okay. So natural vegetation refers to it means that plant community which has grown naturally without human aid, and it has been left undisturbed by humans for long time. So this is natural vegetation. Then endemic or indigenous species, it means that which grow within the India. Okay, the species which grows within the India, that is endemic or indigenous species. And the species which grow outside India is exotic species. Okay, then flora and fauna, this is from this word you are very familiar, that is flora. It means that plants of particular region or a period, that is your flora. And fauna means animals of particular region or period. So flora denotes to plants and fauna denotes animals, that also of a particular region. Okay, now what are the factors responsible for this diversity in flora and fauna kingdom? So in this, land. Okay, so land in mountains, plateaus and plain, the vegetation is very different. So plain area is used for agriculture, grassland and woodland. Okay, it develop over mountainous areas and it gives shelter to variety of wildlife. Then soil provide basis for growth of different types of vegetation. That is, sandy soils provide growth of cactus and thorns. Then deltic soil supports mangrove vegetation. Okay, then next comes climate. Okay, in climate, that is temperature. The character of vegetation is an area is in an area, that is, it depends upon temperature along with humidity and precipitation in an area. So on the basis, this vegetation is divided into some zones, that is tropical zone, subtropical zones, temperate zone, alpine zone. Okay, and various temperature ranges are also there. For tropical, the temperature range is above 24 degrees Celsius. For subtropical, 17 degrees Celsius to 24 degrees Celsius. For temperate, 7 degree to 17 degrees Celsius. For alpine, below 7 degrees centigrade. Okay, then photoperiod, that is, it is the effect of sunlight on the growth and development of plant life. So duration of sunlight is different due to latitude, altitude, seasons, durations of day and all. So due to longer duration of sunlight, trees grows faster in summer. Then precipitation, that is maximum rainfall in India is received from monsoons. Yes. So advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon. So area having high rainfall have dense vegetation. Okay. So photoperiod, precipitation and temperature. I hope it is clear, everyone. Yes. So what are the importance of forest? That is, forest, it modify climate, then it controls soil erosions and provide livelihood for many species and communities. Then forests provide a scenic view for recreations and it supports tourism, isn't it? Then it supports for various industries and provides medicinal herbs, isn't it? So these are some of the importance of forest. Then ecosystem, you all know ecosystem, it is a system which includes all living organisms, that is biotic. Okay, in an area, and as well as its physical environment, that is abiotic, functioning together as a unit. Okay, that is ecosystem. Then biome, a very we can say large ecosystem on land having various types of vegetation and animal life. So human being is an important part of ecosystem. They utilize the vegetation and wildlife, and their greed has led to overutilization of resources, and then cut trees and hunt animals to such an extent that they have reached the verge of extinction. Okay, now comes the types of vegetation. So here first it is tropical evergreen forest, then tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest or scrubs, then montane forest and mangrove forest. Okay, so here one by one we can see tropical evergreen forest. So tropical evergreen forest, it is found in the areas where it is having rainfall more than 200 centimeter, and this forest is found in western slopes of Western Ghats, then northeastern Ghats, Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. Okay, and height of 50 meters is there for this forest. Since the region is warm and wet throughout the year, it has luxuriant vegetation throughout the year. Okay, and there is a time limit for trees to shed their leaves. Therefore, what happened, they remain green all the year around. Okay. So some of the important trees of this, that is tropical evergreen forest, is ebony, mahogany, rosewood, okay, rubber and all. And the common animals which are found in this forest are elephants, monkey, deer, okay, rhinos. These are the things. Now next comes tropical deciduous forest. So tropical deciduous forest, these are also called monsoon forest. As in these forest is found in areas receiving 70 to 200 centimeter of rainfall, and they shed their leaves in the beginning of summer season in the face of shortage of water. Okay, and it is 30 to 45 meters tall. That is tropical deciduous forest. Okay, then the animals which are found is lion, tiger, deer and elephant, and variety of birds, lizards and snakes are also there. So on the basis of availability of water, we can say most deciduous forest and dry deciduous forest. Okay, so in most deciduous forest, 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfalls are received. Then foothills of Himalayas, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, okay, eastern slopes of Western Ghats are there, and trees like teak, bamboo, sal, shisham, sandalwood is found. And in dry deciduous, that is 70 to 100 centimeter of rainfall, and the trees were teak, sal, peepal and neem. Okay, so then this is about tropical deciduous forest. Now comes tropical thorn forest and scrubs. So this tropical thorn forest, it is found in areas which receives rainfall less than 50 centimeter. So here Gujarat, Rajasthan, northwest part of Punjab, some part of Madhya Pradesh, these forests are there. So some of the plant species are, we can say, palms, cactus, kikar, okay, babool. They are some of the plant species. And the trees have long roots which get penetrated in soil in order to get moisture. Then leaves are thick and small in size. Okay. Then animals, that is tiger, lion, horse and camel is found here in tropical thorn forest. Then now comes montane forest.